Level 1. E. Today, we're going to learn about a concept, adding a 1-digit number and a 2-digit number. Let's learn about place values first. What is a place value? A place value is a value given to the place or position of a digit in a number. For example, 25. 5 is in the ones place, while 2 is in the tens place. The value of 5 is 5. The value of 2 is 20. Let's try 67. What is the value of 7? It's 7. What is the value of 6? It's 60. You can also imagine invisible lines that separate the digits. For example, 54. 4 is in the ones place, while 5 is in the tens place. The value of 4 is 4. The value of 5 is 50. Let's learn about the concept. Adding a 1-digit number and a 2-digit number. Let's have some examples. 72 plus 4 is equal to 72 is a 2-digit number. 4 is a 1-digit number. First, add the numbers in the ones place. 2 and 4 are in the ones place. Let's add 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 7 is in the tens place, so write 7 in the tens place. The answer is 76. 83 plus 2 is equal to 83 is a 2-digit number. Two is a 1-digit number. First, add the numbers in the ones place. 3 and 2 are in the ones place. Let's add 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Only 8 is in the tens place, so write 8 in the tens place. The answer is 85. How about the next example? 6 plus 2 is equal to 6 and 2 are 1-digit numbers. Remember, our concept is adding a 1-digit number and a 2-digit number. Is this example correct? No! Very good! One addend should be a 2-digit number. So this example does not belong to our concept. It's time for you to do your math task. Good luck!